Today we're at West Lodge Farm, which is a beautiful 4-bedroom detached property set within approximately 16 acres, and we can't wait to show you around. The current owners bought the property in 2015, and since then they've carried out a range of works that have seen the property modernised throughout. They've also carried out some extension works, which has created this open plan living kitchen area.
My feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like
the sitting room's got a really cosy feel to it. Also on the ground floor we've got a snug and also a study space just beyond as well. This really is an animal lover's house. So we've got 4 bedrooms upstairs, which are all equally as gorgeous and full of character like the downstairs. Oh, this is nice, I didn't look in here before. The master bedroom is full of character. You've got beams to the ceiling and there's windows to 3 aspects which fill the room with natural light. Outside we've got a stable block just here. Also got a woodland area.
my face above the water.
This property is perfect if you're looking for a full character property with approximately 16 acres of land, which is really varied, full of potential. It's got excellent links to the A1, so perfect for commuters. If you think this could be the perfect property for you, just get in touch with the Stephensons Selby office.
And it feels like I'm drowning, pulling against the stream, pulling against the